Gentlemen, you can hear a buffer sound from this video. Don't panic, don't shake. We actually generate this error. This is 8 kVA, and this is 8 kVA, and this is 8 kVA. Please make this is 8 kVA. You can see this error 44 NE, error 44 NE, and you can see this. This is HS. This is the master. Please go to the next one. You can see SL, which is the slave. So please come to this very one. If you see this particular 8 kVA, if you check the button, if you check the name, grid, and you come to this place, you see join. You come to this place, you see load. But when you come to this very one, you see AC, and you see AC outputs. Yes, they are all 8 kVA. They are all 8 kVA. They are all 8 kVA. As a beginner, as an installer, maybe they ask you to pair more than one inverter. And unfairly, you went to the market, you get this kind of Felicity inverter. There are different firmware. Oh, you will start shouting, Felicity is nonsense. It's applicable in all inverters, not only Felicity, when they have different firmware. So by the time you try to communicate them, you are seeing different message, different error message. Oh, why did I even buy this product? It is not by product. It's for you to know what you are doing in this industry. This thing is absolutely free of charge that I'm doing it. Now, just get the same version. You have to get the same version of this. Okay, the same version. If you are using this, if they are giving, just look at. If you want to know the difference, just look at the keypad. I check the keypad of this. They are the same. So check the two. So this two now is working. So automatically, if you on this one first, this one will work. Why these two will not work? Then these two will also generate other error codes. So that is why we are making this video to also take installers along and also client along. So you can reach us on our phone number. Maybe probably you have such error on 070-3749-1246. You can call us or you can also write us, so we'll also try to provide solution for you. Remember, our mission is one youth, still is key. Remain blessed and God bless you.